Hi everyone. Okay, in this video I will show you how all indicators we can import it and how we can use it. You need to click on first. Let me explain you in the simple chart. Here we need to click and then MNQ. After that, a new chart will be open here. Here you will need to select 38 by 16. So here I will import one by one chart. So how this indicator we need to understand. The main is VWAP. Right click indicator, and after that trade with Raja, here TRV web, click on here, and here you can add. And second things, I can send you one template for that indicator, so you can just import it. So then you no need to select no need to select your chart. Let me send you one. Hold on. That file I will share you. You just what you need to do it. You need to click on cancel it. You need to type, you need to save it in your documents. Click here, documents, or then documents here, and Ninja folder 8, and then templates, and then indicator. So here I will save this file, TWRVWeb. So once you are on chart, you no need to select anything. Just right click, indicator, trade with Raja, and just click TRV web, click on add. Here you need to click on templates, load, default, select it, and automatically you will see that's indicator already here. So every day 12 o'clock you will see. Let me explain. Let me remove the data series. If uh, if you see sometime there is this many numbers are there, how you need to remove it. In this video I will show you also. Just right click data series, and after that scroll down, just see plot execution. Just remove this one, do not plot, and click on apply. Okay, now it disappears. So every day 12 o'clock, once it's 12 o'clock, you will see at 12 o'clock that's the VWAP, and upper three deviations line and below deviation line that will open on that time. Okay, so it's created. So see, this is 12 o'clock, and you see there is three deviation line upper side, three deviation line lower side. That's the VWAP, and then the orange line is opening line. So wherever market, we know each level, each deviation lines are level market will respect, and that's the orange line is my favorite line. Whenever you will see it, market will come touch that orange line, okay, on the same day. So you can if you want to hold your trade, you can hold it. So in this video I will show you how you need to import your VWAP, and how it will reject, how it will respect every level. So each level you can, if you want to hold or you want to take trade, you can take the trade on that each level. Thank you.